So let's start and understand what is the meaning of congruent. So congruent means having the same size and shape, mean capable of being placed over another figure and exactly matching. Mean if I have a figure like I have on the screen as it is shown, that a picture of tree is shown, and if I show another tree, what do you think? They both are similar in size? No, they're not similar in size. And if we talk about the shape, also their shape is also different. Both of the trees are different, so they are not equal according to their size and also not similar according to their shape. So we cannot call them congruent. But if I replace this tree, the right side tree, with this shape, then see both of the trees are congruent now because the size is same and the shape is also same. So when we take the picture of the shape and place it on the previous shape, the first tree's shape, the first tree's picture, then what will be happen? See, it's showing us that the trees are now congruent because their sizes are same and the shape is also same. Okay. So as we are very much clear now that the congruent means the same in size and the same in shape. Okay, so the two figures are congruent if they have the same size and the same shape. So congruence is derived from the congruent. Okay, so suppose I am going to also show you the picture here. See, this in this grid we have shown two lines. So these two lines are called congruent. Why? Because the shapes are same and the sizes are also same. The size of the first line is same as the size of the second line. Now see the other picture, that is both are the triangles. The triangles are same, see, according to size and according to the shape. So see, the shapes are same, we do not call them same, we call them congruent. Okay, so when the sizes are same. Okay, so now it's time to tell what notation we use to show the shapes are congruent. So see the equal sign, and at the top of equal sign there is a wavy line. When we write them together, we call this notation as congruent to. So whenever we have to tell about, as the shapes are shown here, A, B, C and D, E, F, then both of the shapes are congruent. If you want to tell them they're congruent, then we will use this symbol. Okay, now let's start checking both of the shapes. For example, the triangles below are congruent, so we can show that the corresponding angles and sides are congruent. So first we will start from angle A. So angle A is congruent to angle D. Although see, ABC is the shape is a little bit DEF shape is a little bit tilted, it's upside down, and ABC is in the proper shape. So both, but we start from A, so angle A is congruent to angle D. So similar is the case with the sides of it. So AB is congruent to line segment AB is congruent to line segment DE. Now move to the next angle, that is angle B. Angle B is congruent to angle E. So when angle B is congruent to angle E, and also when we see the sides BC, side BC mean line segment BC is congruent to line segment EF. Now the last angle, that is angle C. Angle C is congruent to angle F, and same is the case, the line segment CA is congruent to line segment FD. So when all the sides and all the angles are congruent, so what we say, that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Now triangles are congruent according to many ways. So first way that we're going to discuss is the side. Meaning if all the sides of any shape are same, we call the shapes are congruent. So let's take example. When all three pairs of corresponding sides are congruent, the triangles are congruent. As we are discussing the triangles, so we will focus on triangles. Now side, angle, side mean when two pair of corresponding sides and the corresponding angles between them are congruent, the triangles are congruent. See, when the two sides and one angle in between both of the sides are congruent, then the triangles are congruent. So we call it side, angle, side, or SAS congruence. And then angle, side, angle, or ASA congruence, when two pairs of corresponding angles and the corresponding side between them are congruent, the triangles are congruent. See here, the two angles are congruent, and between the two angles there is a side that is also congruent with the other side. So when all these three things are congruent, we say that the triangles are congruent, and we need not to measure the other sides, because when these three sides are congruent, automatically the rest of the angles and sides are also congruent. Okay, so this is called ASA congruence. Now angle side, AAS congruence. So when two pairs of corresponding angles and one pair of corresponding sides that is not between them are congruent, the triangles are also congruent. So when we have given, it's actually what we have given. So when we have given two angles and the other side, not the side in between of these two angles, and the other side is also congruent, then the triangles are also congruent. Then next one is hypotenuse leg. We call it HL. In a right angle, it only applies on in a right angle. So in a right angle, the side opposite of the right angle is called the hypotenuse. See the right angle is here, so the opposite side of the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and other sides are called leg. So other two sides are legs. In right angles, when the hypotenuse and one pair of corresponding leg sides are congruent, then the triangles are congruent. No need to measure the other sides, because one angle is congruent here, and hypotenuse, both of the triangles have the hypotenuse and they are same, and also one side or one leg is same, so we call them HL correspondence. Now here we have given two triangles, and we have to tell the rule, that which rule will be applied here, or that is applied here in these two shapes. So first shape is VWU, and the other is YZX. So let's see, the two sides are given, they are same, and one angle is given. So what we call it, side angle side, or side side side, or angle side angle. So these triangles cannot be proven congruent. What do you think? Yes, you are right, both of the sides are congruent. So two sides are congruent and one angle is congruent, so we call it side angle side congruence. Okay, so next one, let's see the next shape. The next shape is, here two triangles are shown, and we have to tell that what rule will be applied here. So it's, see, two sides are given and one angle is given. So same is the case, angle side angle, or side angle side, or side side side, or they are not proven as a congruent. So here again we have the same case, side angle side. So this rule will be applied, and both of the triangles are congruent according to side angle side, or SAS rule. Now let's move to the next shape. Now the shapes are not triangles, the shape is a little bit different, but let's see what are the corresponding parts of the figures below. Select all that apply. If you think angle O, all the options are given to us, so we will apply first option, that is angle O and angle X. See, angle O is of 113 degrees and angle X is also 113 degrees. So these both are applied here, so this rule is applied. Now move to the next option. Next option is line segment NO is congruent to line segment WX. So see, NO is of 10 miles, and here WX is also 10 miles, so both are congruent. Now angle P and angle Y. Angle P is of 38 degrees and angle Y is also of 38 degrees. Now think about the last option, line segment OP is congruent to line segment XY. Then OP is, see here, OP is given to us, and that is 18 miles, and same is the case here, given with X and Y, so they are also congruent. So what do you think? All four options can correct? Can we call them they are correct? Yes, we can choose all options as well. So see, all the four options given to us are correct, they are applied here. Now complete the congruence statement. Here triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. Now we will not write it randomly, we have to focus what angle they have given. In the first triangle they have given angle A, the right angle, so we will also choose angle U, that is right angle right now. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle U, we have written the start one, but what will be the next one, because both of the sides are of 16 centimeters, 16 centimeters. So what other option we have? 45, 45. So it means we can apply like this, as they have told us A, B, C. We can also write it UVW or UWV. Both are correct. So UWV triangle is congruent to triangle ABC. Now the next option we have given, triangle EDC is congruent to triangle. We have to fill now. Start again from E. E, we have E of 21 degrees. So we will find the angle that is here on the right side of the triangle. Which one is the angle that is of 21 degrees? That is angle W. We will start from W. E, D is 123 degrees. Here W, X is 123 degrees. And then C is 36 degrees. So it is EDC. It will be congruent to triangle WXY. Yes, the answer is correct. Now move to the next shape. Complete the congruence statement. Again, LMNK. So it will be congruent to RSPQ. So we have to start from the same. L, that is 118 degrees. And on the right side it has 24 degrees. So again we will choose here R, that is 118 degrees, and we will move down. It is 24 centimeters, and that line segment moves start from R until S. So it will be RSPQ. The whole parallelograms, both of the parallelograms are congruent. Hope you all understood the concept of congruence here. So this is all from my side. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.